Okay, I already do a video, the number 3 and number 1, because this is just 3 colors. Okay, the number, this is number 2. So let's try again let's apply in my lips. Oh, seems like I like the number 2. Kakapala natin. Check it out. Ganda, di ba? So, bili na kayo. Tinatry ko lang siya, ang number 1, number 2, number 3, and then it's great. Ang ganda sa lips. Okay? Lalo na siguro pag naka-eyebrow, diba? Kilay is life with lipstick. Oh my God, I'm so pretty. Sabi ng asawa ko, pretty daw ako. Ooh.